Good morning. This is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I just woke up, so sorry about my voice. Anyway, so I am here with entry number 14 for my Red Birthday Challenge. I just want to show you how the little tape is. And I started trying to cut it, haven't been into it yet, because it's the duct tape. But I'm really getting some great entries. I'm really loving everything, and I'm going to put in the description box below the link to the video so you can see the last day is the 31st. You have to be a subscriber, and you can see all the rules for the memory decks and what you win. A video of that as well. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to cut into it without cutting into it. Tape is always strong when you're trying to make it be where you want it to be. It's a whole nother story. Okay. I see red. Alright, so this is from Pam, and I saw her her video. Oh, look at this envelope. So let's start out with that first. So that's pretty. That's the back of the envelope, and that is the front. And she got wood veneers to say Dawn, and they're glittered like that. Very pretty. Velcro, sweet. But I like that added touch of putting that washi tape around it. That was very classy. I love that. I'm going to steal that idea. That was very beautiful, Pam. So this is her pretty card. Look at that. You can see the layers on the flowers. Pretty. And the vine. I got some of that vine too from Hobby Lobby. Very pretty. With the red and black. And it says happy birthday. She's got some accented gold gemstones right there. Excuse me. It says, hey Don, hope you had a nice birthday. Thanks so much for hosting this red challenge. Love working with these colors. Great idea. Also, thanks for all the hauls on your channel. I had a couple people talk about the hauls, and they DM me about that. But I am glad, because a lot of people said this is outside their comfort zone, but I'm amazed. Everybody's saying like this is different for me, but y'all have knocked it out the box. I mean, everybody has. Just really coming up with a nice combination, nice presentation. Love it totally. And she made me an ATC. Love it. And it says elegant with the bustier. Of course, girl said corsage. See, it's too early in the morning. Corset is what I'm trying to say. But look at that. So, I mean, nice metallic. And you see the lace down here, and it's laced with black. And the back is gold glittered, chunky glitter paper. And you got your red beads, gemstones down there, and the word elegant. And she even matted the word elegant in red glitter paper and in gold. So very, very pretty. I'm so loving my collection of ATC cards and iCads, as well as the memory deck. So like a lot of people that you don't normally see post videos about ATCs stepped up in the ATCs and iCads, or index cards, whatever you want to call them. But it did such a great job. I think they did a nice job. So anyway, look how she did this. So again, very simple, but so effective and pretty. She did the black just like she did the red, and she took gold washi around it, and it does not just add that elegance to it. Love that. And then she's got an oval punch out here with a nice polka dotted bow. It says dream one of a kind. Love that. And then let's go inside for the memory decks. I love the packaging. So she's got it matted up here on this card. Good. She's got her stuff on the back. Okay. So isn't that pretty? Just adding that little beautiful matte gold, it just makes it very elegant. So as you can see, glamour never takes a day off. That is so true. My daughter always says, Mom, beauty hurts. You know, because we used to joke about wearing stilettos and stuff, and when I wear those, you know, all day, like sometimes you come home, you're like, oh God, my feet. She's like, but beauty hurts. That's what the price of beauty is. So look at these beautiful flowers right here, very dimensional, and I like how she's got this, that glamour has dimension to it. So that's curled up, and then she's got that beautiful red AliExpress dye in the background right here on glitter paper. She's got this on gold metallic paper with some bling, black and gold as well, and then she's double matted it with that scalloped square edge. Love that. Very pretty, very pretty. And her YT is Pam STI 917, and of course her link would be below. Her Instagram is Pam STI Plans. Okay, and guess what her colors are? Black, silver, and gold. So she likes these colors. That Papa Red would be the only thing different for her, but beautiful, beautiful submission. So thank you, thank you, thank you, Pam. Thank you for playing along. And again, so if you're a subscriber, you can play along. You got to the 31st to get it postmarked, and then a week, or really 8 days later, I'll be able to do the winning video because I got to travel. So it should be like 8 days, the 8th, I think, of January, or the 9th. But I will let you know when I'm going to be having the drawing. And if you're international, then it would be a monetary gift into your PayPal account. And if you're stateside, of course, it would be the package that I showed in the video. So you can check out her channel, her Instagram, and the Red Birthday Challenge extended in the original video below. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.